Let's walk through a blended rate overtime example. This happens when an employee works at more than one hourly rate in the same work week. In California, overtime is based on the employee's regular rate of pay. When there are multiple rates, that regular rate becomes a blended average. In this example, the employee works 40 hours at $20 per hour and 8 hours at $22 per hour. That gives the employee a total of 48 hours worked in the work week, which means there are 8 overtime hours. Step 1 is to calculate total straight time earnings. 40 hours at $20 is $800. 8 hours at $22 is $176. Total earnings are $976. Step 2 is to calculate the blended regular rate. We divide total straight time earnings by total hours worked. 976 divided by 48 equals $20.33 per hour. This is the regular rate for the week. Now, here's the most important concept. The 976 already includes straight time for all 48 hours, including the overtime hours. So, we do not pay time and a half on top of that. Instead, we only pay the extra half-time premium. Half of the regular rate, $20.33, is $10.17. We multiply that by 8 overtime hours. That overtime premium equals $81.36. Finally, we add the overtime premium to the straight time earnings. 976 plus 81.36 equals $1,057.36 total gross pay. Using the same scenario, in California, when sick time is front-loaded, the employee receives the full sick bank at the beginning of the year. 5 days is typically 40 hours for a full-time employee. If they miss one full day of work, we deduct 8 hours from the bank. So 40 hours minus 8 hours leaves 32 hours remaining. Now, how much do we pay for that sick day? California allows us to pay sick leave using the employee's regular rate for the work week in which sick leave is taken. In our scenario, the regular rate comes out to about $20.23. I'm sorry, that's $20.33 per hour. So 8 hours of sick time paid at that rate equals $162.64. So that's it. For more information about blended rates, check out Functional Area 1, Compensation and Benefits in the California Professional and Human Resources Program. Order online today at www.trainmetoday.com.